Hi, my name is Paul Robbins. I'm a metabolic specialist. We're here at Athletes Performance today, and I'm going to be talking about how we use the curve in our metabolic circuits. It's a great way to do some group training or class training. We can create different types of circuits based on different muscle groups that you want to hit. Are you working a little bit more cardiovascular, or are you going to be working more strength into it? How we're going to use our metabolic circuit here today is that we're going to use 4 different stations. All right, we're going to use the curve as a station, and it's going to be just a running station here. And then we're going to go into the bike. And with the bike, what we're going to do is just take out the seat, and we're going to have him stand, and he's going to go as hard as he can at a high resistance. Another station we're going to use, what Jill's at today, is going to be more cable, and it's going to be a little bit more functional type of training for it. In our 4th station, we're going to go use some power blocks. In the power blocks, we're going to use some combinations, some squat to press, and we're going to use some curls to press as well. Just a little variety into it, so we get some strength as well as some cardiovascular into it. So the goal is here is that we can do a group of clients. In this case, we're only going to use 2, but you can make this in a whole class setting as well and have different stations with it, using the curve into your program. Jill will start in, and then Dan will follow. Ready? Go. So, good form, good technique. Trying to keep that speed up there. Pick that speed up just a little bit more. Pick up that speed just a little bit more. We're doing roughly a 30-second circuit right now. Keep it up there. Keep that speed up. Keep that speed up. Keep that speed up. Good. Good form, good technique all the way through. The most important thing when you're doing metabolic circuits is that you want to make sure that the form and technique is perfect all the way through, and you're doing the same speeds, the same power output all the way through. Here, power, trying to get the same wattage right back up here again. So that's what we're trying to get out of it more than anything else, is that we're finding things that I can measure the power output, if it's reps, or if it's wattage, or if it's speed here. Any of those that I'm going to be able to maintain through that entire class that we're setting, or in this case here, just the 2. The biggest problem with most circuit training out there is that people will go as hard as they can at the beginning, and then over time their power starts dropping off. What I want to make sure of that, again, in Jill's case here on the curve, her speed is the same throughout the entire, if not, hopefully faster later on. Dan should be doing the same number of reps in that same 30 seconds with the same weight. Jill should be in that same 30 seconds maintaining the same power all the way through. Okay? So that is the most important part when you're doing your circuits, is making sure that you're measuring the outcome of each one. Now, the key to it again is that if we're doing this metabolic circuit in a class situation, this might be going on for 30, 40, maybe even 50 minutes long. So again, I want to be able to have a comfortable speed that I can handle now, and I can still handle that same speed, that same power output 40 minutes into the workout. So safety is very important, form and technique is very important, so make sure that we're doing the same one. And the exercises that you choose are very important as well. You want to make sure that you're picking something that you can actually measure the power. Again, if it's going to be an exercise like this, it's the number of reps and weight that you can do in that 30 seconds. If it's something like we're going to do on the curve, it's going to be the speed that you can maintain throughout that 30 seconds. Or even on a bike, the wattage that you can maintain, the power that you can put out. So the exercise that you put in your circuit is extremely important.